Welcome to Scanning Preparations for Veneers, powered by the iTero Element intraoral scanner. After filling in patient data in the RX, tap Scan Mode. The scanning process for veneers includes capturing dental anatomy in both quadrants. It is important to follow the scanning steps in the correct order to successfully capture the image. Let's review the scanning process for a case where the clinician prepares and bonds 8 veneers from the upper right first premolar to the upper left first premolar. You can also watch the video tutorial on best practices for ergonomics. It starts with iTero.